Yesterday you were introduced to something called an area model, and today we're going to practice using our area model with word problems. So please turn to page 83 in your practice book. Then press play to continue listening to this video. Let's start with number 19. As I read, circle the numbers and underline the question. A small package of construction paper costs $2. If someone is purchasing 24 packages, how much money will it cost? I have 24 packages and each package costs $2. That means I need to multiply 24 by 2. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to expand out the number 24 to 20 plus 4. Then we're going to draw our area model and split the two sections between the tens and the ones. Yesterday you guys talked about putting the smaller number on the side here, and I can do that to help me find my partial products. Let's look at the tens place first. I'm going to multiply 2 times 20 in my tens place. I'm going to use my trick of taking away the 0 and multiplying 2 times 2, which will get me 4, and adding my 0 back in. Then I'm going to look at my ones place. I'm going to multiply my 2 by the 4 to get how many unit squares are inside there. So I've got 2 times 4 equals 8. Now I have two partial products here, 40 and 8. And I'm going to need to combine those to get the total product of what 2 times 24 is. So 40 plus 8 equals 48. Now, my answer is 48, but I also need a label. So I'm going to place 48 on my line, and then I'm going to say, well, it asks me how much it will cost. And when it's talking about cost, it's talking about money. So if I'm buying 24 packages for $2, what I'm saying here is that I'm going to be spending $48 on my packages. That's why in the directions it says give your answer in dollars. Normally we can use the trick of using the word after how much or how many. But when we're talking about money, we are going to be talking about dollars. Let's try number 20 together. It says a lunchbox can be purchased for $3. How much will 83 lunches cost? That means each of my lunches is $3, and I need to make sure that I'm multiplying 83 times 3. First, I want to expand out my number 83 into tens and ones, 80 plus 3. Then I'm going to draw my area model. The last thing I need to do is multiply that by my 3. I'm going to put that on my side there. I would like you to find each one of the partial products in this area model and then see how you did. Pause this video now. Now that you found your answer or your partial products, you should have multiplied 3 times 80. 3 times 80. If I take away my 0, I know 3 times 8 is 24, and I'm going to add my 0 back in, 240. For the next section, you should have multiplied 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now that you've found both of your partial products, you can go ahead and find your total product. 240 plus 9 equals 249. Now we're still talking about cost here, so my answer is going to be placed in dollars, $249. Let's do one more together. This time, I want you to try 21 before you listen to the video. So read through it now, Press pause and see if you can solve it. Then press play to check your work. Now that you've given number 21 a try, let's see how you did. A movie ticket costs $8 per person. If 61 people go to the 10 a.m. show, how much money does the theater collect for that show? I should be multiplying 61 times 8. The first thing you should have done is expanded out 61 into 60 plus 1. Now you can draw your area model. 61 times 8. I'm going to split up my 10s and my 1s. Then you should have multiplied 8 times 60. 6 times 8 is 48. Then I'm going to add my 0 back in. Then you're going to move on to the 1 spot. 8 times 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Now that you've found both of your partial products, you can add together 480 plus 8. And you'll get 488. If you completed the problem correctly, your answer should be $488. I would like you to finish up 83 and page 84 today for your math work. Make sure you're drawing an area model for each problem. And don't get tripped up if you can't expand your numbers. Take a quick look at 24. She's working a 40-hour work week. I can't expand 40 out anymore because there's nothing in the ones. So if I can't expand it out, it's even more simple because I just have 40. I don't need my plus because I have nothing in my ones. There's your little hint for 24. Finish page 83 and 84 in your practice book. Have fun!